Get Paid Per Click 2021. Make PayPal money online for free. Hello lovely YouTube family, welcome back to e-commerce know-how. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to earn money just by clicking ads. In this video, we will show you how to get paid per click, which is a new strategy to make money for free in 2021 this year. Before we begin, I want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Do you want to get paid for each click? Well, not only this strategy is new, but it's all free and available worldwide. If you have these three things, you are eligible for this work. Number 1, you will need a laptop or a computer, tablet, or a smartphone. Number 2, you will need an internet connections. And third, you need to know how to click. If you have these three, you can do this. At the end of this video, we have a special bonus for you, where we will give you a free tool which will set everything on full autopilot so that you can get these clicks passively. So make sure to stay around and keep looking until the end. Let's start now. First and foremost, let me tell you that this strategy works all over the world. As you can see, everyone can join. Anyone from anywhere can join the program and start earning money in minutes. And the best of all, you don't have to sell anything. It's not an affiliate program, it's not a link shortening service, and people don't have to sign up for anything. They don't have to spend any money. They just need to click and that's all. Basically, this is the easiest way to start earning money online on full autopilot. So it can be chain passive income for you. You and I, along with 3 billion others around the world, are using Google as our default or main browser. We are currently using Google to search for anything on the internet and to surf the web. But for this strategy, instead of using Google, we will use entireweb.com. Like Google, this website is also a free search engine, but there's also the main difference between both of them, which is that entireweb.com will actually pay you for each click. This search engine will actually pay you 20 cents per click. It means you can get $4 for 20 clicks. The reason why they are paying you is that Google is a huge competitor and they want to attract more people to use their search engine on Google. So they give you 20 cents per click. Click are paid because Google does not provide this facility. And of course, since both of these search engines are free, most people would choose to use entryweb.com instead, as it will pay them 20 cents per click, given the fact that it is absolutely free. So you need to jump on it as soon as you can and take advantage of this website, which I will show you in a minute. All you need is to go to entireweb.com. Once you get there, you have to click on this menu at the top of right corner and it will take you to all these categories like home, services, free submissions, SEO, ad markets, affiliate, directory, advertise, and so on. But you only have to focus on one category that is going to make you money, and that is an affiliate. So just click on it and don't worry, you don't have to sell anything as we said before, and you don't have to buy people anything or pay for anything. In fact, you get paid 20 cents per click, so you can get other people who are using Google regularly to start using entireweb.com instead. And if they use your link, you'll make 20 cents for every click you get. That's cool. According to a report, more than 3 billion people are using Google on a daily basis. So there's a very huge potential here, even if you send only 100 people to this site, which will still prove to be huge passive income for you. As you can see, you get paid for every click. They pay you for all the clicks you generate, and you can earn up to 20 cents per seller, which is really good. The best thing is that you have a very high conversion rate because it is absolutely free and easy for you. In general, they only need to surf the web using entireweb.com. Anyone can join from anywhere in the world, and it's really easy to get started. After a few minutes of signing up, you'll be ready and start earning money from your traffic. You'll see how it works and what the dashboard looks like, and you'll know how to get your money back. Now, let us show you another great thing. This is how you will be paid. You will be paid via PayPal, and the minimum payout payment is $50, which may seem like a lot, but in reality, you can easily get 50 from this website and get instant cash out, and you can spend that money at the price of your choice. Once you get to this page, you need to click Create Account right now so you can sign up for free. Now you need to fill in some of the details about yourself. You need to enter your first name and the last name. You will choose your tracking ID. For example, you can type some words or phrases that you like. Let's say, for instance, my YouTube channel is Money Magnet. So my tracking ID will be Money Magnet. And then just enter your email address on your account. And once you've done this, you will need to enter additional information about yourself. Then just fill in their payment methods, however you want to pay. Best of all, PayPal is not the only payment method they have. For simplicity, just enter your PayPal email address and they will pay you as soon as you reach the payment threshold. Finally, you need to read their rules and regulations, and this is it. It will take only 60 seconds in the registrations process. You will now start earning money for every click you generate. And once you log into your account, your dashboard look like this. And when you right click here, right left, you can actually track your clicks and track your earnings. as you can see, since it's a brand new account, it will obviously show 0 clicks and $0. But once we start receiving clicks, they will change and you will start earning money, after which we can withdraw it by clicking on my profile button on the left side. And as soon as we reach the payment threshold, we can request a withdrawal. So, what do you need to do is to get those clicks is first, you need to catch your affiliate link first. This is your special link, so you need to copy it because whenever someone visits this link, you will be paid 20 cents per click. So, you're just referring people to entireweb.com where they can surf the web, usually with Google. And for every click you're getting paid, which is really easy and convenient. Once you've copied your affiliate link, you can start sharing it with other people. Now, of course, you can share your link on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and other social media platforms. Share it with your friends and family. It will definitely get you a few clicks, and it's definitely going to make you some money. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing videos from us.